be a reindeer makeup look. I tried to look on Pinterest. I don't know if I'm spelling it wrong or the only reindeer everyone knows now is this one here. But red-nosed reindeer was not coming up. Like the actual Christmas red-nosed reindeer. It was that character from Fortnite. So I don't know what's happened to the world. But I'm going to create my own reindeer look. Let's get into it. So I'm going to do my eyeshadow makeup first because I have found a new technique, or I've seen this about. So you get a bit of tape and you apply it. I think that's correct. I look like an absolute weirdo. Okay, that's how we're gonna do it. Now I need to do the other one. I feel like I'm getting Botox because it's stretching my skin. Okay, so it looks like this. It's not the best, and one bit of it won't stick down properly, but it will do. But let's get into the eyeshadow. So for the eyeshadow, I have got loads of eyeshadows. As you would have seen, just picked as much as I can because I don't know what I'm going to do. Except from, I know I'm going to do a brown look. So let's get into it. So I'm going to use this brush here because that's like just more cornered and I can shape it more. I don't know if it's gonna look good. So I'm gonna go with this colour, that one there, what I've used all up, nearly, for my base. This is kind of working. Well, I say kind of, it is working, but I'm not used to it. I feel like I need to be a little bit closer to you guys. Okay, so that's the first layer. Now we're gonna go into a darker brown. I'm gonna get this palette. This is the fake palette, and it's so colourful. And we're gonna use that colour there. And I'm going in with this brush now. We actually need a small brush, so I'm going to use this brush. So you can't really see it because of the tape, but this is what it looks like. On to the next eye. Okay, so that is the eyes. So I feel like I look a mess right now and I might need to touch up this eye when we're done. But on to the glitter on my lids. So I'm going to put this on first, the eyeshadow primer. I'm going to use this brush. my primer on. For the glitter, we are going to use this one. That one's called Yas. This one, what I've used for the base coat, is called Cookie. And then the other colour does not have a name. I'm going to use this brush again. Going to take these off now to apply my mascara and my face makeup. Yeah, I didn't think that worked. Not really. That eye is terrible. So I'll come back in a second for you guys, but probably a minute for me, with it looking okay. Okay, so I don't know if it's meant to look like this. If you do the tape, let me know in the comments. But I don't know about it. I don't think it looks nice. I was trying to do like a nice smoky eye with like light brown, but I didn't think it turned out right. But we are carrying on. Next thing I'm going to do is quickly my mascara. Okay, so that is my mascara. Next is the blusher and highlighter. So for blusher, I always use this one. I thought the eyeshadow would look like a reindeer, but it's not. But hopefully with the red nose, I'm putting loads of blush on because I feel like with makeup looks with blusher, like with doing reindeers, they have loads of blusher on. Now I've got this highlight palette and I'm using that one there. Again with the highlight, I feel like there's loads. Now with the nose, I'm going to put the highlight on after because we are on to the red nose. For the red nose, I'm going to use this brush. I'm just going to get the reddest nose I can make. Okay, I think that is it. I look weird. I look like I've got a cold. You know when you've got that like red nose when you've got a cold. I feel like that. But now we're going to put some highlight on it. I'm going to use this one this time. Just a tad. There. Red nose, the red nose. That's actually quite cute, but I would not go out with it. Now let's get on to the lipstick. So this is the lipstick I've got. Is a bright red to match the bright red nose. So that is the end of the video. This is the final look. Comment down below what you think. I think I'm quite impressed with the nose. I don't know about the eyeshadow. I think if I didn't put that dark bit there, it will be okay. But because I've put that, it looks weird. It does give you a good, nice wing eye, like flick. But I don't know. It looks cute though. Let's get into the outro. Did you like it? Did you like it? Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope to see you tomorrow with a brand new video. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, because I love interacting with you guys. And if you're new here, hit subscribe and join the family. There's so much fun here. We have so much laugh and makeup and fashion and everything that you can think of. So yeah, bye.